Hey everybody, it's Eric at First Call Auto Appearance. We've just picked up an Autoright steam machine for cleaning and doing automotive interiors and so forth like that. I've never used one of these before. We got it off of Amazon. I want to basically open the package with you, show you how to put it together, and then do some demonstrations on how to use it, and let you know what our review for this type of steamer is. So on the box it shows that you can do leather seats, hard to reach areas like inside of door pockets, cloth seats, floor mats, vinyl, I'm assuming like dashboards, as well as windows. So today what we're going to do is test it on the back of a third row seat on the carpeted area. And then we'll have a video series on other uses for this product, on the other surfaces that they recommend, and see how well it works and give our testimonial and review for this machine. All right, so the first thing to do is unscrew the cap, take it off. And then it says the tank holds up to 40 ounces of water, don't overfill. So this cup that they provide is 500 milliliters or 16 ounces. So I'm using distilled water as recommended. And replace the cap. All right, now it says to attach the necessary cleaning adapter and accessory to the steam gun nozzle. We're going to line up the button, snap it in place. Plug the machine in, which I've already done. Press the on-off button, which must be this giant black button here. The machine turns on. The red power light and orange steam light indicating the machine is building steam should both illuminate. And now it will take approximately 8 minutes. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to test it on this dirty area right here. This is a third row seat to a 2015 Tahoe, and it has been in storage for the last few years. So kind of been moved around and kind of thrown around. It's got dirt spots all over this carpet part. The seat's been folded, and it was taken out when it was brand new, so the seat itself is in real good shape. But as you can see, just from being stored and moved around in a dirty area, it kind of got a little dingy. So let's see what we can do with this area right here. We've worked on this for about 3 minutes now, and several of the videos you'll notice that I agitated it in a circular fashion. I went back and forth across it in a hash type fashion, and then I went real slow across it in the dingy corner here, just to see if maybe going slowly and letting the steam just really penetrate would take care of it. It has cleaned up quite a bit in this area. Nothing was used to treat this before we started, so there's been no cleaning substances at all put on this other than just steam. And as you can see, it's gotten a lot better. I've only done about 12 square inches, and it improved it quite a bit, but I would not say that it is a quick super effective steam cleaner at this point yet, but we haven't tried it on anything, and we have not tried any type of cleaning products to pre-soak the areas or loosen any of that dirt. So I hope you've enjoyed the video in explaining how the process works with opening your machine up and getting it prepared, then working on a small area with no pre-treatment. I felt like the repair came out fairly well. It took a little bit more time. It wasn't completely clean, but it did clean it up. It did brighten it up a little bit. So I would say, as right out of the box, the machine works fine. Stay tuned. We're going to try this with a pre-treated surface. We're going to pre-treat the rest of the back of the seat. So check back for the next video on cleaning and using this machine on the other substrates that they've recommended for. Thank you.